What if a simple device upgrade could transform your Microsoft Teams experience? Imagine clearer conversations, smoother teamwork, and meetings that just work every time. Let's explore how to make that happen, step by step. Start by considering your device for joining Teams meetings. Laptops and desktops offer reliability, but not all are created equal. Look for models with high-quality microphones and built-in HD webcams. These features make your voice crisp and your image sharp, reducing effort and boosting presence. Next, let's talk about headsets. A good headset does more than just deliver sound. It can help block distractions and keep you focused. Choose one that's Teams certified with noise-canceling features. Plug it in and check your Teams audio settings. Just a few clicks ensure you hear and are heard with clarity every time you join a call. For those leading meetings or presentations, a dedicated external camera can make a world of difference. Set it up at eye level for natural conversation, then open Microsoft Teams and preview the video feed. Adjust the angle until you're happy. It's a small step that leaves a big impression. Effective collaboration doesn't stop there. If you're sharing a workspace at home or in the office, consider a Teams-certified speakerphone. These slim, portable devices pick up voices from every corner, ensuring everyone is included in the conversation. Connect, check the settings, and start collaborating with ease. Finally, add a touch of comfort. Adjust your environment for proper lighting and minimal background noise. A simple desk lamp or a quiet corner can make every meeting more productive. With the right devices and easy setup, better connections and brighter teamwork are within reach. Each step brings you closer to confident, seamless Microsoft Teams calls. So why not start today?